Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD and sex OD. You got
real hot girl shit. Yeah, I'm in my bag, but I'm in his too.
Your girl is evolving into the best her. What's up, y'all? It's your girl RealJWells, and I'm back with another lit video. So as y'all can tell by the title, this is gonna be a summer glowy makeup tutorial. How I did my makeup from start to finish. Another thing, I don't think I included what I use on my lips, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tell y'all right now. I used two of the NYX butter glosses. So around like the dark part is Ginger Snap, and then the middle part is, I don't know, it says Tiramisu. I don't know what this says. So yeah, but these are the two that I have on my lips right now. If y'all feeling this look, let me know in the comments below. But also, if you feeling this look, like this video, and don't forget, if you feeling a kid, subscribe to this channel. It's free. It's free. It's free. And if you feeling me, go ahead and subscribe, baby. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification on so you get notified every time your girl RealJWells uploads a video. Also, I did do a hair tutorial on this hair. I don't know if it'll be up before the makeup tutorial or after the makeup tutorial, but if it's up before the makeup tutorial, the link to the hair tutorial will be in the description box below or in the eye right above. I don't know which side it'll be on, but you know, whichever side, if it's already uploaded. But if it isn't, make sure you got that bell notification on so that you know when I upload the video on this hair tutorial, sis, because you don't want to miss out on it. Bye, y'all. Okay, so yeah. Oh honey, my voice and my lips look so chapped. Hold on. Alright, so we in business. So I always start on my eyebrows, so I'm using this pencil, and I get these from Walmart, and this is the L'Oreal, I think. Yep, L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in Brunette. Okay, my hair gonna get on my nerves coming up in my face. So I'm not going to be talking a whole lot through this because I just want y'all to see what I'm doing. So when I'm doing it, I'm not going to be talking, but I will tell y'all like what product I'm using. And I use the Fenty Beauty primer. And I really like this primer. I use this every time I do my makeup. It really reminds me of like a lotion moisturizer or something. Then I also use, I go between the two, but I'm gonna use this one today, which is the Too Faced Poreless Primer. And sometimes I use my Benefit, I think that's what it is. I'm gonna show y'all. Sometimes I use this one, so, but I'm gonna use this one today. And I usually just focus it on my cheeks because I don't know why I do that, but that's what I do. I put it like, I'm gonna put it on that forehead too, because my forehead gets very shiny. Okay, so Next, we are going to, I forgot, but we're going to conceal. And I think I'm going to use the NARS concealer. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. My favorite, I'm going to show y'all later because I'm going to use it. But this is in Medium Dark 2 Caramel. So now that my eyebrows are all done and then I did conceal my eyelids, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me powder. I was going to use a loose powder, but I'm going to just use this. And this is in 310. It's a little lighter. And I would just take this same brush. Yeah. So I'm torn between two foundations. I love drugstore foundations more than high-end foundations. No lie. Let's see. Well, I do like NARS, but it looks like. Okay, y'all. So I decided on the NARS foundation. I actually haven't used this in a long time. I usually always use like my Can't Stop, Won't Stop, which is bomb. But we're gonna do this NARS today. We're gonna see how it's looking. So this is looking mad light, so I think I'm going to take some of this, which is a little bit darker. I'm gonna let y'all know though, even if it is too light, I can make it look good still. So yeah, when I used to wear the NARS foundation, like, oh, that looks so good. But even when I used to wear it, I did really like it. I'm just the type, I like to switch it up. Okay, so we're done blending that out. Next, we're gonna use some concealer. So I'm gonna use this, which is my favorite concealer, my Makeup Forever HD. Bomb.com, honey. Sleep. Okay, so I'm also gonna use a little bit of this. It's light, but a lot of times I feel like my concealer is not light enough. So I don't know if I was even showing y'all, but I forgot to show y'all. But for my contour, I use the black Radiance, and I use that shade right there. And I didn't tell y'all what color this was, and this is in sand. So yep, so now I'm gonna take this CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner palette. It's actually a highlighter palette, but I use it sometimes for that. Okay, so I'm gonna use these. Yeah, my makeup brushes be mad dirty. But, oh well. So I'm gonna use this. I got this palette from Walmart. We're just gonna take the brown. I like to take this brush and I go back in this palette. So next I need to get another scent spray, but this is the Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay, so we're going to use our blush. So I just started on blush and I love it. I don't know, I just think it makes you look like flirty, cute, all that. So I'm gonna use a Milani and some Maybelline Fit Me blushes. So I just say use whatever blush you like. Okay, so this is a step that I personally love. I love the pop of colors, so that's what I'm gonna do. My favorite color is pink, so we're definitely gonna use those two. I'm take our mascara, and this is the Benefit They're Real. I love this mascara, but a good drugstore is the Voluminous Super Fiber Balm 2. So my lashes are drying right now. I'm just going to put on some lip gloss.